I have done good, not bad really, for the first time. Think it's here, if not wrong. Alright, my name is mutalathevoice. So, that these games that normally rich people or city people do play in the cities, but I've never really understood. Like, just bear with me, like people with like me, who maybe grew up in the village, we don't know these things because our types of games sometimes looks like not really different from working. Like competing is going to cultivate a bigger land than another person, or who is going to, take care of cattle better than another person, playing football, playing in the mud, running, high jump, those things, those are games. But things like bowling, archery, we don't relate. So today I just want to experience, what do these people really enjoy? I don't get it. Maybe in the comment section, if you grew up in the village, you can tell me, do you relate with what these people are playing? I don't get it. I've been in this city for quite some time right now, but still I've not been able to adopt to that environment. Do you get me? I really want to understand. And today I just want to experience. I've never even thought of going there, but I just felt, let me go. Do they really enjoy? Does it make sense? Or does it? I don't know. Let's go. I am in Sarit right now in Westlands, Nairobi, Kenya, Africa. So I'm going inside to try this game. I really don't understand. Do these people really enjoy or not? And on myself, I just want to try and know or see if I'm going to enjoy or not. Because, with me, I was raised in the village. Our types of games are maybe different from these ones. So we consider these as city games or maybe rich people's games. So let me also go try and see if I will enjoy it or not. If I'm not going to enjoy it, I'll throw those things and go. Let's go. I think I'm almost there. It is the first floor tourist center. So many activities here. So I've been told somewhere right here, the pins. So let's go. I think it's here, if not wrong. So what happened actually, I've been told it's a very busy day, so I had to book and wait for close to 30 minutes. Rich people problems, man. I don't really relate with this. At this place, all this, man, it's a very busy place. So I have to wait close to 30 minutes. Then after that, my game will be ready. So I've just paid for one round, which is around 600 Kenya shillings. Let's convert to around $5. So I'm actually very anxious. I wish I could have come with someone so that we do it together. At least someone that I know, someone that we can, talk. Is it? I don't want to say what I just want to say, but it's so funny. So funny. This is my first experience. I just knew I was coming. I'm giving those bowls. Is it bowling? They look like calabashes. I'll show you later on when I'm there. Then we proceed on. But I've just realized maybe I'm just a village person. I don't know much about this. Oh my goodness. Tell me your experience with bowling. Actually, what you're going to do today is bowling. So let me show you something. So when you come, you're supposed to pay right there or inquire. Then I think the bowling side is this side. There are pins and entertainment. So that's how it is, man. These I think that I'm more used to. How was the experience? This is my first experience. I know this game really exists, or people do play it. I don't really just see it on the internet, huh? And I've never been here. This is my first time. Oh my goodness. Yo, so just bear with me. Sometimes something is there, maybe you can be able to pay for it, but how you channel or maybe your upbringing makes these things not to make sense at all to me. And I'm very sure there's so many village people people like me who grew in the village, like this doesn't make sense. But for the vlogs, vlogs have made me to do a lot of things, man. True. Okay, if you grew up in the village and you can't really understand, well, what are these people playing or don't understand this game, tell me in the comment section that you also don't know these things. Tell me in the comment section. I need to know. My name is mutalathevoice. For those watching for the first time, I do travel videos. Go watch my videos in other countries. Amazing videos in Rwanda, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya. We are moving to the next country very soon because today I'm in my home country. Just enjoying here in Westlands, Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa, Africa. Wow. Let's wait and see. So I'm going to land on my mind. So when you get here, what you do, you're given shoes distance here. So I'm supposed to go this way. So let's go. Yeah, that was the first impression. Someone screaming like a sheep. All right, now here we are, man. This is my first time here, just trying to enjoy this moment as much as possible. So I tried. And that was the miss of the highest order. That was so miserable. Now it was time to try a second take of it. I like these shoes. They were the ones that are given for bowling. Now it's my time to throw. Here we go. And this time I got something, remaining 2. Trust me, if I miss, I was going to throw these things and go away. How many rounds am I supposed to go? So this all these balls coming from. I'm actually impressed by this. Actually impressed that I actually tried for the first time and at least I got something. So here we go again. So look at this, picking my ball there, trying, these are rich people's things or the city things, As from the village, you're not used to this. So I'm trying to, look for that ball that fits. Okay, look at that. Another miss, and that one was worst. That one I can assure you. That was worst. I have to try again. And one thing I've realized about this game, you don't have to be an expert or experienced. Look at this. Yes, I did well. I did well here. That one, I did well. So bowling cost ranges from around 350 to 600 shillings per person, that is per game, and you can bowl alone or join a team and compete. Pins Entertainment is located on the first floor of Sarit Center, Westlands, Nairobi, Kenya, Africa, Monday to Sunday between 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So those are the times that you can go and enjoy, have some good time there, man. All right. So my first time entering here was actually that impression that these are the rich people's game, but they're just affordable games that you can afford as a person. So I was enjoying this, and the reason why I actually now relate is that they don't have places where they can graze or play football, maybe the village style, but this is the places, man, where they relate to. And now I get to understand, man, why they're all flooded here, enjoying beautiful moments here. So one thing I can encourage you or advise you, when you come here, at least be around 2 people or maybe have a team. You're going to enjoy better. Look at this. I'm improving, man. Every step, every time I try it, I'm improving. Remember, this is my first time here. Almost like missing everything here. It's going to that other side. But there's a lot of music here. I can't even record comfortably. I actually like perfection and I have to try again. And voila! I got everything, Yeah, it's about trying, and you don't need to be a pro, man. I'm beginning to like this. Yeah. You see that one? I did all of them, man. And this is my first time here. I really enjoy this. I had to try again. Maybe that was just by luck. I want to use the same strategy I used before and see if it's going to work, or maybe it was just by luck. So let's try again. And that is it again. It is like that. Voila, Mr. Perfecto, mutalathevoice. So now I was acting like a pro here, man. Little did I know, the spirits of failure followed me when people watch and when I think I've perfected, man. But I have to try again. Man. I have to try again. So, but right now I'm enjoying it. I'm feeling the game. I want... fail again, man. Now that's the problem. When you think you've made it, now it's when now you fail like terribly. Look at my performance. Not bad for the first time. That one I can say, not bad for the first time, because, but I think next time I'll come with people. I'll come with people so that we enjoy together this. So my time is over here. Now it's my time to go. I have done good. Not bad really for the first time. Yeah, that's the excuse you give when you perform pathetically, but not bad for the first time. You understand that? But I really enjoy this, man. I really truly enjoy this, and I encourage you not to do this. I think it can be one best place when you come with people, not alone. That is one thing that I've learned about this place. So yeah, I did not do that. Yeah, more excuses, going now to take back these shoes and go. So here are my shoes. Now it's time just to go home, and time to go home. Let's go. Alright, that was my first time bowling actually. It was that other side. Can you be able to see? So that's it, man. That's my first experience bowling here in Service Center, Nairobi, Kenya, Africa. My name is mutalathevoice. Continue subscribing as we plan to move to the next country. So, have a good time.